Hello everyone and welcome to Cozy Acres. Today we're going to be going over cleaning around the small greenhouse. It was taken over by blackberries, weeds, and old plant pots. So let's get to it. I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and comment. And here we go. Alright folks, well, I have a list of things on my project list, but this is probably the biggest one. The black Himalayan blackberries are overtaking this area, and it's time that I start doing something about it. Not only that, it's just been kind of the stockpile for everything, and it's a mess, it's unsightly, and we're about ready to clean this all up. This is going to probably be about a 2 or 3 day project, and what I just got done recording was the removal and installation of the Nandia that we had Nandia. I'll post up what it is and correct myself because I'm terrible. We just got done moving plants, folks. Jeez. Anyhow, but this is the next major project. So time to clean this area up. And so let it begin. All right, folks. Well, I just shifted the mess just so I can clean up the weeds around the greenhouse and the blackberries. We still got a lot of work to do. I still got a lot of places to put all of these pots. And then, of course, all the plastic and old swimming pools and fencing and everything else. But for now, folks, here we are. Until tomorrow. I'll get the start on the back end of this and continue to go around. And that's the next step, is to get this mess cleaned up. And then after that, down the distance road, I'll start getting the bank again. At one point in time, we did have this backed up quite a ways, but it's coming back. But anyhow, for the moment, yeah, looking so much better. Even Jasmine says so. Huh, Jasmine? Yeah, look at you. You all happy? Alrighty. Alright, folks. Till later. Have a good day.